Yeah, good morning, folks. So this morning we're off to COOPS Classic Car Show in Morden.
216 in 400 feet. Turn right on B216.
Good morning. We're off to COOPS Classic Car Show this morning down in Morden. We'll show you around the ground as soon as we get there. I don't know what's going to be there today. I think this is a yearly charity event. So basically, yeah, I'm just as much in the dark as you guys are. So we'll go and see what's there. Generally, it's cars 20 years older. So anything less than 20, no. So it could be a mixture of anything there. So let's go and find out. See you soon. I need to stop for some petrol, yeah, because being a Bentley, its favourite place is a petrol station.
Turn right,
Yeah.
and then you get to another gate, and from there you'll be shown exactly where to go.
Thanks, mate.
Hello.
I've got
Yeah.
Folks, so we just arrived at the COOPS Classic Car Show 2025. So what we'll do is we'll run you around the show a bit later, show you what's going on, what's happening, some of the cars, and yeah, see how we get on with that. Anglia, 1966, when I was a kid. It was green, actually. Yeah. I was at primary school, actually. Yeah. Yeah, my mum had a Ford Anglia as well, 1966. It was in green when I was at primary school, when I was a kid. Exactly the same as that one down there. Mark II Cortina. Mark II Cortina. That was one of the first cars I ever had when I was at work, my first job. Yeah, a 1960, I think it's a 1964. Yeah, my father had a Mark III GXL, 1972. Yeah, so my earliest memories of my first cars was like similar to this car here. It was a Capri, but mine was an early one. This is a later one. Mine was a I think it was a 77 Capri, 1600. I didn't have it very long. So, but this one here, this is a later one. So here we have a Mark III Cortina. If anyone remembers George and Mildred, then Mr. Formal used to drive one on the state.
From what show?
George and Mildred.
What year was this?
I think it was a K plate. 72. This one's 73. Yeah, if anyone remembers that. You have a Mini here. My first car was actually a Mini. It was an 850 in green. It was 1966, and you used to start it up by, it was a push button, what most cars are now. Just turn it on, push the button on the floor. That was it. That used to start it. This one's a much later one, but the one we used to have, well, the one that I used to have was a 1966 Mini in green. It was a lovely car, but unfortunately I wrote it off. There you go. Looking cars, especially from the 50s and 60s and going into the 70s, was just such great cars. Why don't Americans build cars like this anymore now? Now, it's just rubbish. My neighbour had one of those when I was a kid. Probably not. Yeah, it is. Look, okay. So you can see it doesn't have a gearbox. The gearbox is mounted on the steering wheel. There, it's column change, which is that here, just there. Yeah. Yeah, our neighbour had one when I was a kid.
king of the road. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring.